New cooling measures may cool the red-hot housing market and put the brakes on runaway home prices. Hi, I'm Christine Sun from the Research and Analytics Department at Orange Tea and Thai. Welcome to Orange Tea HDB Market Pulse. Today, we'd like to share the latest market trends and property developments that may be of interest to you. Well, nothing beats having solid data to guide our buying decisions. We utilize data analytics to better understand the latest market numbers and uncover new buying trends for you. To moderate housing demand and ensure prudent borrowing, a new slew of cooling measures were introduced on 30th September. The maximum loan quantum limits for housing loans will be tightened, while some private homeowners will face bigger hurdles in purchasing resale flats. These measures will have some impact on prices and home demand. To begin, I'd like to share three major property trends that we have observed last quarter. Firstly, HDB resale prices rose a 10th consecutive quarter by 2.6% in Q3. For the first 9 months of this year, prices have already risen 8%. Last quarter's slower price growth indicates that the housing sector has already started to feel the effects of rising interest rates and inflation. Further, prices may have hit a ceiling with many places registering record prices this year. Secondly, sales volume rebounded by 10.7% in Q3. More deals were sold as the gap between seller expectations and buyer budgets may have narrowed last quarter. Further, more HDB upgraders may have bought resale flats as prices on new condos in suburban areas rose beyond $2,000 per square foot. Thirdly, rents hit a new record high last quarter, while rental volume dipped for a third consecutive quarter. Many landlords have increased their rents in anticipation of more interest rate hikes, which will translate to higher mortgage repayments. With higher property taxes and possibly higher costs of living next year, we may expect landlords to raise rents further. Moving forward, we may see a knee-jerk reaction as it is probably one of the most significant rounds of cooling measures imposed on the public housing market. However, past trends indicate that our property market is highly resilient and usually rebounds within 6 months of a cooling measure. We anticipate that resale prices may still grow by 9 to 11% this year. Thank you for watching our video. Do tune in to our other video series and visit our social media pages. See you and God bless.